What's up guys, CSGO Academy here. Today we got a little bit of gameplay for you before
Playing some Demolition.
Yeah, some gameplay and Demolition that we wanted to bring y'all and kind of give y'all some tips whenever playing Demolition. Some hiding points. You always want to be able to know like your corners. Like don't ever not check your corners in this game mode as well.
I have bomb.
So this is just like a little
Pointing.
This is just a little bit of gameplay for y'all. Oh my god, this guy's OP. I want to watch that.
God damn it.
Behind you.
Where?
Boy.
Oh, over there?
Oh my god. Hate that there's only one site on this map. Like, really? This map is so big.
There should be at least one in Market.
Yeah, honestly though.
Like, for real. Get a P90 and a grenade.
Yep, what kind of grenade?
It's just a regular grenade.
Awesome. I also have that, so... A high explosive grenade?
Yeah. Got him. One down. Oh, one's on roof. Roof and inside. No, we're not talking at all.
Yeah. Well, also, we're like trying to concentrate, so you know.
Yeah. But
I guess that also after this match we can go and play some community.
Yeah, we're gonna play some community.
There's always a guy AFK in the spawn, by the way.
So we're gonna do some warm up community. What a fish.
What the fuck?
Take bot.
Kid legit blinded, kills me. I don't want to watch that.
Wow, this kid sucks. Even though I died first.
Can I not spectate my team? Oh, we're dead.
Wow.
Push car. Okay. We need to talk more. Topics.
Topics.
Gorilla kills child.
Damn, I suck. Need to get a bot. And there's no bots. It's just that guy again. He's OP.
Gorilla kills child. Who deserves to be killed in that situation?
The
Should
child.
it be the parent?
The parent. Ooh, going off. Oh, I died. God damn it. Who's gonna kill you? What are topics? Like, man.
Well, let's see. Some more tips. Bee hopping.
No. Oh, tips in the game. You should always try to get headshots because it does more damage.
Honestly, though, who doesn't know that?
Honestly, everybody.
I guess you could see a terrible example of someone that's trying to aim is me.
Yeah.
At least I got a kill and my next weapon is a deagle. Though.
I got a deagle too. Headshots, bro.
Let's do it. I hate how they can get up onto the roof as well. It's so annoying.
They're both on AK. Damn it.
Who's on AK?
Two of them.
My god, both shots I take on somebody, it freaking hits glass.
Oh god. I killed myself.
Next weapon is a Nova.
I didn't know you could go through there.
That guy just talked in chat. He was like, "Woo!"
That voice crack though. Damn.
Woo!
Oh. There we go. That's the next weapon. Oh, what the hell? He got on the roof. This boy's profile picture, it's probably not even him.
Is this guy on top of roof? You joking?
Yeah. Going for the headshot, dude. The guy stood still for him. Damn. P250 you have?
Yep.
Nice.
I got a P250 and a grenade.
I got P250 on there.
People
my
get the
skin,
stuff in chat.
My skin honestly sucks.
Op Pit Viper 57 Kami.
that's
This is just some gameplay, guys. Don't worry. We're not supposed to be talking. Like, we're just bringing out some good old gameplay. So sorry if we're like not talking as much. I just don't find it necessary whenever like giving out gameplay to be having to talk on the mic.
Next weapon. Let's go. God damn it. Oh, fuck's sake. He got 2 kills? Well, they have a bot.
He's on top of roof again. I'm tired of that. What? That guy couldn't kill him once. That's pretty sad.
I have Glock next.
Me too.
Dang, we're just going up.
Honestly though.
We've got
Like,
one
it's gonna be even harder to get a kill with the Glock.
Eh.
That guy's only on the M4 though. That's pretty sad.
It's the first weapon. This guy took my kill. Daryl. Come on. Give me a kill, dude. Where's last? I need 2.
He's on top of, both of them are on top of roof. Or 2 of them are on top of roof. Which is both of them. This kid's name is, of course, I like cereal.
Should've knifed him.
I got an SSG.
Me too.
I got a double kill, so I got a grenade as well.
Yeah. 52% accuracy.
Honestly, it's getting even harder to kill these guys.
Dude, I go over here and you just get kills. Should've got that kill.
I need some help. These guys are freaking...
Hackers.
You joking?
What?
This guy shoots me once with a Nova and kills me. He's a garage.
I'm already dead, so... And they can't hear you if you're talking. Oh, this is boring. And it's so late at night, too. So there's nothing to really...
Not really that late.
Oh, he's dead.
That's it?
Graph.
Okay. Wow.
This is like nothing at all.
This is what the channel's gonna be, gameplay.
Yeah, just
After this, we're
gameplay
gonna make
every
another
day.
video for gameplay.
We'll just do some.
We're gonna make a separate video.
Honestly, they suck. Hold on, am I dangling from the ladder? Oh, I fell off. Oh, damn. How do you shoot through the wall?
This guy shot me once and killed me through a wall. And I did him for like 98.
How do you get a kill? Damn.
We should actually record a full comp game
Ooh,
of
wow.
the WS server.
Damn it. Bank. Hell.
This guy has a battle scarred.
A battle school. Battle school.
Battle scarred
Battle
Asimov
scarred.
looks ugly.
Ew, dude, I have a better Asimov. Honestly.
Bukiki.
I would have laughed if you did get that.
Honestly though, he has an inform.
My P90 looks better.
Okay, the nose just made it look weird.
See, look at this. Look at this.
Look at this dude.
Look at it. Ooh.
The nose is too
Ooh.
good.
Wait, does it have scratch right there? Bottom right, and then on the back. What the shit? How does he run that fast? If he... I was about to say. Damn.
Did they seriously win?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. This team is getting destroyed.
I was about to play music, but then I was like, oh, copyright strikes.
Yep. We don't want to get our first copyright strike the night that we make the YouTube channel.
What the shit, dude?
What do you think? The PP Bison just has way too much ammo.
Look at this dude. Oh, this is gonna be a boring channel. Damn, never watch us. Just kidding. Watch us all the time. After this game, we're probably just gonna play some community.
Yep. I'm gonna make separate videos so we don't want to keep these too long.
Okay, it's been 12 minutes and 34 seconds. How the kid knows I'm there? No clue.
Oh, it's because I jumped.
But thanks a lot, dude. The deagle spray is real, dude.
Honestly though, this guy doesn't know how to spray deagle. Last round. We can bring this back.
Look at this. Hey, go
Ooh,
right
the
side.
spin bot.
Go right side. 'Cause honestly, there's a guy there every time. Nice.
Watch for any deagles though.
You have to check your corners, dude. What
Of course.
the fuck? Yo. Hey, hello, mama. So you want to end that off?
End this video off. Well, this has been CSGO Academy. Out.